students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Srinivas SR Jaganti. Having noted that some of our students have been benefited from the previous videos meant for IIIT entrance, I am requested to upload some more videos useful for NMMS exam. NMMS exam is conducted every year by Science Branch of Director of Education for the students studying 8th class. I hope you all make use of these videos. Go to the first question. Root x minus 3 is equal to y, root y minus 4 is equal to z, and root z minus 5 is equal to 2, and x is equal to. Consider the first equation. Root z minus 5 is equal to, squaring on both sides, z minus 5 is equal to 4, z is equal to 5 plus 4, z is equal to 9. Make use of the z value in the second one. Root y minus 4 is equal to z means 9. Root y minus 4 is equal to, squaring on both sides, 81, y is equal to 85. Using this value in the third one, root x minus 3 is equal to y, root x minus 3 is equal to, y means 85, x minus 3 is equal to 7225, so x is equal to 3 plus 7220 is 7228. Therefore the answer is, option is D. If x is equal to 4, then 3x minus 2 into 4x plus 1 minus 3x minus 2 into two integers, then a into b plus c is equal to 152, b into c plus c is equal to 162, and c into a plus b is equal to 170. Then x abc is equal to, so therefore ab plus ac is equal to 152, bc plus ca is equal to, bc plus ba is equal to 162, ca plus cab is equal to 170. On adding these three equations, you will get ab plus bc plus ca is equal to here 484 by 2, that means 242. So when you subtract 1 from 4, 4 minus 1, you will get BC is equal to 90. When you subtract 2 from 4, 4 minus 2, CA is equal to 80. When you subtract 3 from 4, 4 minus 3, AB is equal to 72. So when you multiply these 3, AB into BC into CA, A square B square C square is equal to 5,18,460. Therefore ABC is equal to 720. So we have to write this one in general form. 467 into 10 power minus 4. 467 by 10 power minus 4 means B, 0.0467. 3 power x into 3 power y into 3 power z is equal to 19,683. Then the average of x, y, z. So a power m into a power m into a power n into a power p is equal to a power m plus n plus p. Therefore when basis are, when you write this one in the form of product of prime factors, 3 power x plus y plus z is equal to 3 power 9. So x plus y plus z is equal to 9. Average is equal to sum of quantities by number of quantities, 9 by 3, 3. So therefore the option is B. X power root x is equal to root x whole power x. X power root x is equal to x power x by 2. And bases are equal, powers are equal. Root x is equal to x by 2. 2 is equal to x by root x. Root x is equal to 2. On squaring both sides, x is equal to 4. Therefore the option is C. 1 square plus 2 square is equal to 3 square, 1 square, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube is 6 square, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube is equal to 11 square. When you observe this analogy, 1 cube plus 2 cube, 3 cube, 3 square, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, 6 square, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube, 10 square. Therefore, this is the sum of all the bases of the given terms. Therefore the sum is 45. So therefore, according to the analogy, we get 45 square. Therefore, the option is C. 2 power n plus 2 minus 2 power n plus 1 by 4 into 2 power n minus 1. So in this expression, when you bring out 2 power n common factor, 2 power n into 2 square minus 2 by 4 into 2 power n minus 1. 2 get cancelled 4 2 times. So 2 power n by 2 into 2 power n minus 1, 2 power n. 2 power n by 2 power n is equal to 1. So therefore the option is A. Option is A. Next question, 3 is to 5 is equal to 4.5 is to x. Then x is equal to. So when you observe this one, it is in proportion. Product of means is equal to product of extremes. Ratios are equal, therefore they are in proportion. Product of means is equal to product of extremes. 3x is equal to 5 into 4.5. So x is equal to 7.5. So the option is A. Sum of digits in the product 2 power 4 into 3 power 4 into 5 power 4 into 7. So 16 into 81 into 625 into 7. This product is 56 lakhs 70,000. Therefore, the sum of all the digits in the given product is 18.
It is in the form of a power m into a power n. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Therefore, 2 power 10 into 2 power 4 is equal to 2 power 10 plus 4, 2 power 14. Therefore, the option is B. Second question, 3 square into 3 square whole power 4 is equal to 3 square into the second term is in the form of a power m whole power n, a power mn. Therefore, that means 3 square into 3 power 8. So this is in the form of a power m into a power m plus n, 3 power 2 plus 8, that is equal to 3 power 10. So what is the option here? B. So let's move on to the third question. 3 by 5 whole power 4 into 3 by 5 whole cube into 3 by 5 whole power 8. So what is this form equal to? This is in the form of a power m into a power n into a power p, which is equal to a power m plus n plus p. Therefore, 3 power 4 plus 3 plus 8, 3 by 5 whole power 15. So what's the option here? B. Next question, 3 square whole square. So this given expression is in the form of a power m whole power n. A power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So 3 square whole square is equal to 3 power 4. So let's move on to the next question, question number 5. What is the number with which 3 power minus 4 should be multiplied so that the product is 729? So here let x be the number with which 3 power minus 4 should be multiplied to get 729. So therefore 3 power minus 4 into x is equal to 729. X is equal to 729 by 3 power minus 4. 729 can be written as 3 power 6. 3 power 6 by 3 power minus 4. A power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Therefore 3 power 6 minus of minus 4, 3 power 10. That is equal to, so what is the option here? 3 power 10. This number should be multiplied with 3 power 10 to get the product 729. Let's move on to the next question, question number 6. If 5 power 6 into 5 power 2x is equal to 5 power 10, then x is equal to, so here 5 power 6 into 5 power 2x, LHS in the form of a power m into a power n. Therefore, a power m plus n, 5 power 6 plus 2x is equal to 5 power 10. When bases are equal, powers are also equal. Therefore, 6 plus 2x is equal to 10, 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. So that's the option here, B. Next question, 7th question, 2 power 0 plus 3 power 0 into 5 power 0 is equal to dash. Anything power 0 is 1, you know that. Therefore, 2 power 0, 1, 1 plus 1 into 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 into 1 is equal to, therefore the option is C. Next one, see here, 8th question, x power a by x power b whole power c into x power b by x power c whole power a into x power c by x power a whole power b. So now, so when you observe the first, these three expressions here, these three terms whose multiple is, first term is in the form of a power m by a power n. That means x power a minus b whole power c. Next, x power b minus c whole power a. X power c minus a whole power b. So therefore, these three terms are in the form of a power m whole power n. Therefore, x power ac minus bc into x power ba minus ca into x power cb minus ab. So therefore, now it's in the form of a power m into a power n into a power p, a power m plus n plus p. Therefore, x power ac minus bc plus ba minus ca plus cb minus ab. Therefore, when you get the cancel terms, so the power is 0, x power 0. Anything power 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, the option is 1. So the answer is 1. If 5 power x is equal to 1000, then 5 power x minus 2 is equal to. So now the question given here is 5 power x minus 2. 5 power x minus 2. It is in the form of a power m minus n. A power m minus n can be written as a power m by a power n. Therefore, 5 power x by 5 square. How much is equal to 5 power x? 1000. So 1000 by 5 square means 25. 1000 by 25 is equal to 40. Therefore, the option is B.